This is the Caveman coming at you. Today is September 3rd, 2025. It is approximately 8:30 Eastern time in the morning, and I wanted to get this out quickly to show you that gold is still rallying. Here we have a weekly chart, and you can see it is broken above that overhead resistance at the 35.20 level, and it is poking all the way up to now it's at 36.12. So it's gained over $100 or almost $100 in the past 2 days since I did the first two videos. So I would say that this is definitely breaking out, and one of the rules of technical trading is you never want to make a trading decision until the bar has closed. This is a 1 week bar, so it's not closed yet. This is what's showing it where it's showing right now. But the close would be Friday at close of business. However, because we have the monthly chart, which is super bullish, and we are breaking out and closed above the resistance level on the daily chart, I feel confident that it's going to continue on. Now, if it doesn't, I suspect it'll fall back. So here's the daily chart. You can see it is, woof, that is a power move right there. Not only that, but you have like almost a gap right here on this morning, but it's not. But regardless, very, very bullish chart. Yesterday's close, very bullish at all-time highs, so it's going to continue. And let's talk about fundamentals and geopolitical issues. So when I did the first video, I mentioned, hey, it's about hedging against inflation, or hedging against war, hedging against government. And what I wasn't thinking about, because I just wasn't paying attention, is that the government of France is about to collapse, and that's probably pushing a lot of this. And then you have the UK 30-year Treasury, which is at all-time highs, or I shouldn't say all-time highs, but it's at like 5.7%, which is outrageously high. But if the government in France collapses, meaning that they lose their governing coalition, they have to splinter, and then they have to reform a government, that's a huge thing for markets. They don't like that. So that's what could be driving this. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter, because guess what? We made this call a couple days ago, and I wasn't even thinking about that. Didn't care. All I could see was price. I could see patterns. I could see, what is it doing on a monthly level? And it was very clear it was about to break out. So I would just say this is a long-term thing. I wouldn't necessarily get into trading gold, because there's really not a lot of money. I mean, you could, but it's high risk to trade gold. It's better to buy it and hold it, and then just wait and maybe trade it on like a weekly or a monthly chart. But anyways, it looks like the call is following through, and it's in a bullish move.